Welcome to another Polishpedia nail art tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do a Firework French manicure. So let's get started. Always apply a clear base coat before you apply any nail art. Apply a color polish. When it's dried, take a black nail art brush and create the stripes going from one corner and getting smaller as they reach the other side of your nail. At the bottom of your nail, create a black French tip. And this is what it should look like. I only did it on 4 of my nails. Another design you can do with this is take your silver nail art brush and just add silver on top of the black. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this firework looking design. Visit our website at polishpedia.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye girls!